How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be working on my XB a little bit and giving you some tips and tricks. What I'm doing today is going to be unboxing my new set of wheels and tires. If you watched the previous video, you saw that I got a big shipment in thanks to Steven from out in Japan for delivering everything here to Vegas for me. But yeah, one of the sets of wheels is actually for this car I've been waiting a very long time for. But before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, definitely would appreciate it. Also, if you follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, I post stuff there that I don't post here on YouTube. But in terms of TikTok, that's if you have TikTok with the current state of things. Again, mentioned in the previous video, this stuff came in, and I have these that came in. Now, I haven't even seen these wheels myself in person or unopened, so this is all going to be new to myself and for you. So yeah, they are 15-inch wheels. One of the big reasons right now the XB is currently on 16-inch wheels. I got these on a pretty good deal with brand new tires. So they're currently running Federal 195/45 16s, and the tires are okay. They've held up really well. The wear on them is perfectly fine. My alignment's great, but they're very, very loud and noisy. So it's been something that has been very, very annoying for me for quite a while now. I put on maybe about 20,000 miles on these tires, and just really noisy, especially when you're up anywhere above 35 miles an hour. So I came across a really good deal on these wheels, which you'll see in just a second, that had brand new tires on them. Now, I ordered these from Japan. This was, like I said, really good deal. They are radar tires, 195/55/15, Rivera Pro 2s. I have never used these before in my life, so this will be the first time using these tires. Usually I use Toyo, Falcon, Maxxis, brands like that. This is the first time I'm using radar tires, so let's see how this is. But yeah, enough with me talking. Let me go ahead and get started. Let's do this. Here are the wheels. Now, if these don't look familiar to you, it's probably because they don't really sell these and they're not that popular in the US. These are kind of a derived style of a Boyd wheel or a Krager from Work Wheels. This is a two-piece wheel. They are called Work Goo-Car Hemis, and yes, they are used. I realize, and even in this video, what I see through the camera, that they're not perfect. Now, I bought these on a really good deal. I'm not going to say how much, but it was enough to motivate me to buy them as replacement wheels for the XXRs. Now, these are 15-inch with a 195/55 tire, so the car should ride a lot nicer again than the Federals that came on the tires that I got for the car that I've been on for about a year and a half, 2 years now. Really loud and noisy, especially when I drive to California. Hopefully these radar tires are a lot more quiet. But my mission right now, instead of just throwing them on right now, is I'm going to go to Kaiju Motorsports to get the balance on these tires checked. Make sure everything is good and safe before I go. But yeah, the DOT dating, 2023. Tires about a year old, but never driven on, so we're good. We're good for a long while. But yeah, you always want to check the balance on tires when you buy used wheels and tires, just because to make sure everything is good. If the tires aren't balanced, you're going to get, wheel hop, wobbles, and so forth, and that's just annoying to drive on. So I just want to make sure everything's good to go. But yeah, you're coming with me, and we're going to get this done.
One pair of pants later.
Alright, finally arrived here at Kaiju. Pretty empty parking lot today. I think they have a lot of stuff going back. Let's go ahead and walk around back real quick, take a quick look. Got a lot of cars back here. Some short-term, long-term projects. A lot of long-term projects. So I've covered Kaiju in the past. It's been a while since I've done any video work here. They are very well known for working on boxer engines, so anything Subaru or Toyota 86, pretty much Subaru engines. They are pretty much one of the top, if not, in my opinion, the top shop here in Las Vegas, Southern Nevada, for boxer engines. They are the highest level IAG engine dealer, distributor, installer, retailer, so they have the best warranty backing them when it comes to that. But yeah, anyways, let me go inside and check in with Brian and the guys and get these tires balanced. Oh, they are? Nice. You know what?
They're adding 2 ounces. So we can knock this weight off when we do it.
Okay.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, works for me. Thanks.
2,000 years later.
Just got back from Kaiju Motorsports. Thanks again to Brian and the crew for taking care of me as always. So the short form is they didn't necessarily need to be rebalanced. It was a little off, but just to make sure everything is perfect as can be, I went ahead and rebalanced them. Only took maybe about 15 minutes for the guys there to do it real quick. So yeah, that's quick and easy. Let me go ahead and get set up to put the wheels on, and that's what I've been waiting to do all day today. I decided to weigh the wheels also, since I did it last time when I switched wheels. This wheel and tire combo comes in at 33 pounds. Not the lightest, but still lighter than stock and the current XXRs. Again, these are for the front. The rears I'll weigh in just a second. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way. Let me grab the other wheel and then I will get you the weight. This is the rear. Again, the fronts are a 15 by 7.5 plus 15. The rears are 15 by 8.5 plus 15. So this will weigh a little more. See what it says. 33 pounds also. As mentioned, these wheels weigh 33 pounds each, including the tires. And the original weight, which I weighed in a previous video, was 36 pounds for wheel and tire, and the XR's weighs 34.5, so still reducing its overall weight. Don't mind this, I was looking at different wheels when I was wheel shopping, but again, these came up. And the nice part about this is because the 16 on the 16, it has a 195/45 tire. It's a little undersized. The correct wheel, as you can see here, is substantially taller, so I should be able to fill the wheel gap a little better. And this is the correct size. This is undersized just by a hair, but close enough. Then 195/45 16s, way undersized. But I got wheels and tires as a deal, so it is what it is. All right, have the wheels on the car now, and I torqued all the wheels down. So when you switch wheels out, always make sure that you have a jack stand along with the jack to support for safety. You don't want the car falling on the ground or on you. So please exercise caution there, and also remember to torque the wheels down, and after 100 miles, check the torque and torque them again, which I plan on doing. So yeah, completely different look on the car. Pretty happy with it. Again, this is a daily. I'm not looking for the most show pristine wheels, but for what I paid for them with brand new tires, I cannot complain. Fitment's pretty on point, pretty flush with the fender. Again, 15 7.5 plus 15. The rears are 15 8.5 plus 15. fitment's pretty on there, so really happy with that. The wheels aren't in perfect condition. There's some caked on brake dust that's not coming off and all that. This is a polished clear finish, so the brake dust has eaten some parts of the wheel already. But again, this is a daily. Maybe if it bothers me enough, maybe I'll powder coat the wheels or something, but as of right now, don't care. It's good enough for me. It's good enough for an everyday car. And again, I'm back on 15-inch tires with a taller sidewall, which should equate to a smoother ride. So, what do you think of the wheels? I personally like them. It's pretty different than what most XB owners do, so something a little different, something not in my usual realm of style, but it works. But leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the wheels and the fitment and everything. If you have any questions on wheel fitment, especially for XBs, I'm more happy to help you out. And if you're looking for some wheels or any parts, hit me up at info@m2-motoring.com. That is my everything email address for all parts related inquiries. Again, I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, you guys take care. See you on the next episode.